Hi everyone, good evening. So today in this session, I'm going to discuss class number 2 in WIPRO recruitment. So we already completed one video in quantitative ability. So whoever missed those videos, just go and watch that video. We already completed 15 different questions in quantitative ability. First of all, I welcome you, our channel, Vision to Victory. And you can follow our channel in Instagram, Telegram, Facebook for more updates. And all the PDFs which are available in the Telegram, guys, just follow me in the Telegram. If they want current affairs, I was uploaded daily current affairs in Instagram. Just follow me in the Instagram, guys. Yeah, you just follow me all the social networks, and the links are available in the description, guys. And first of all, please confirm, is my audio and video clear? Please confirm, guys. Then we'll start our session. Now, everyone just copy the link and share to your friends. Just inform to your friends the live is started. Yes, then we'll start our question number 1. So this is the question number 1. Give me the answer. So it's related for time and distance, the most important model, and we can expect a question from these particular time and distance concept, guys. The most important concept in time and distance. Everyone just please like the video. Yes, see guys. Here read the question first of all. See the question, see. So a truck covers a certain distance at a certain speed. They covered certain distance with a certain speed. Now, if speed is 4 km per hour more than the original speed, it would take 4 hours less to cover the same distance. Now, see, there is a speed, there is a certain distance, they covered in certain time. So, based on that, speed can be defined as speed is equal to distance by time. Now see, if speed is increases by 4 km per hour, speed is increases by 4 km per hour, they travel same distance. It took 4 hours less than the original time. So the time is equal to t minus 4 hours. If same thing, if speed is 6 km per hour less, now speed is decreases by 6 km per hour, they covered same distance. It takes 8 hours more than the original time. Now find the distance covered by the truck. See guys, for these type of any model, the distance is always calculated product of speeds divisible by difference of speeds into difference of times. So remember these direct formula, guys. If you want how it is happened to the entire formula, just go and watch my speed and distance concept. Then you can understand how we can frame these formula. Now see, just remember that the distance can be calculated product of speed divisible by difference of speeds into difference of timing. Now see, product of speeds, just compare first two equations. So s into s plus 4 and difference of speed 4 and difference of time is also 4. Now you can compare first and third equation. Product of speeds s into s minus 6, difference of speed is equal to 6 and difference of time is 8 hours. Just compare guys, just go through that. 4 cancel, ss cancel, and we have this is for 3 times and this is for 4 times. Final equation 3s plus 12 exactly equal to 4s minus 24, guys. So now you can get s is equal to 36. Now you can get that s value become a 36. Now here is the question, we need to calculate the distance. See, these s value you can substitute it here or here, you can get the value, guys. Now just calculated d value become, so 36 into, so 36 into 40, guys. Now see, 6, why? Because 4 is cancelled, there is no problem in that. See, 6 4s are 24, 2 here, 3 4s are 12, 14. So answer 1440 kilometers is the perfect answer. See, for these type of any comparison question, just remember that if you calculated any distance value, so the distance is calculated based on product of speeds divisible by difference of speeds into difference of time. Remember this concept, guys. Here the question number 2. Just read the question number 2. Abhi swims from a point U. Again is the current. See, again is the current means the speed is U minus V for 6 minutes. And then swims backward means along the stream. So again is the stream is the upstream. Remember guys, again is the stream is represented for upstream. Along the stream can be defined as downstream. Now, any upstream journey, the speed is exactly U minus V kilometer per hour. Then U is the boat speed and V is the stream speed. Now, same thing downstream along the stream represented for U plus V kilometer per hour. Then U is the boat speed and V is the stream speed. And this is the point A, guys. So, this is the point A, remember. Now, this is the point A. Now, here the question. Abhi swims from point A. Again is the current for 6 minutes. Again is the current for 6 minutes. This is the, for example, there is a point P. Now, he was traveling against the stream for 6 minutes. See, against the stream means U minus V. It takes for T 6 minutes, guys. That is the first important. And from this particular point, he was swims, see, from A to P. From A to P. So, that is against the stream means U minus V, guys. From this particular point, he was swims backward direction. Backward direction means along the stream. Along the stream means U plus V. If the current for next 6 minutes, so next 6 minutes definitely they can cross these particular A. Now it reaches another point B, guys. It reaches another point B, and the distance between the A and B, the distance between the A and B is equal to 200 meters. 200 meters. Then find the speed of the current. That is the whole information, guys. Yeah. See, from A to there is a certain point, so they travel upstream for 6 minutes. Now he was traveling backstream. Along the stream means U plus V. It reaches point B. And the distance between the A and B is equal to 200 meters. We already know the formula, guys. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here, distance value can be represented speed into time. Remember, guys, the distance is represented for speed into time. Now, first is speed. I just assume as U minus V meter per second. There is no problem. Or you just take it as a kilometer per hour. Now, see. U minus V. Why? Because we can represent the final answer in terms of kilometer per hour now. See, first speed is equal to U minus V and they travel for 6 minutes. Converted into hours means 600. So that is first distance they covered. Next one. Along the stream, see, along the stream means this is the value U plus V and they travel how much? See, again 6 minutes and they traveled 6 minutes. That is exactly equal to U plus V into 6C. Here the time is constant. If you see the back direction, they travel 200 meters more, guys. 200 meters more. Now, so the difference between these two variables, guys, see the difference between these two variables exactly equal to 200 meters. From A to P, B to A, the difference between those two is exactly equal to 200 meters. Why? Because here time is always be the constant for these particular equation, guys. Now, now you can read the entire equation like that. See, now you can read the entire equation. See, then U minus V into 6 by 60, and the distance is exactly equal to 200 meters divisible by 1000 exactly equal to U plus V into 6 by 60, guys. U plus V into 6 by 60. Then just go through the equation, guys. And 0, this is the value for 0 0.2. Now I'm writing here 0 0.2 exactly equal to, so 0 0.1 here. So 6 by 60 means 0 0.1. Again, this is also represented for 0 0.1. You just cancel. Now, what is the value here? First of all, I am writing here 0 0.1 U plus 0 0.1 V. Clear? This is the one equation. And if you go through the subtracted these value, you can get 0 0.1 U plus 0.1 V, guys. Now see 0.1 U, 0.1 U, just cancel. Now final value is 0.2 exactly equal to 0.2 V. Then V value become exactly equal to 1 kilometer per hour. So answer 1 kilometer per hour is the correct answer, guys. Just these 200 meters is the difference between the upstream and downstream, guys. That is the only important point here. Now based on that information, you just calculated the speed of a current. Now let's go through the third question. See the next one, third question. See, Sum of 4 consecutive even numbers are 94 more than the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So there is a even numbers and odd numbers. See, we already completed the concept of consecutive number. Remember guys, for any even number and odd number, the difference between the numbers exactly 2. The difference is exactly 2. Now, I just assume a even number guys. So I just assume a even numbers. How many even numbers we require? A 4 consecutive even numbers. Now see, the values are x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. Now see, the difference between the number to number exactly 2. Now we want odd numbers also. Odd numbers. So we want how many odd numbers? According to the question, we want a 3 consecutive odd numbers. So 3 consecutive odd numbers, you just consider as a different variable. Like see, y plus 2 and y plus 4. These are the even numbers and odd numbers. Then you just connect the entire statement. Sum of 4 consecutive even numbers. Sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 4x plus 12 is exactly equal to 94 more than the sum of 3 consecutive odd number. So 3 consecutive odd number, the value become 3y plus 6. Now see, 4x minus of 3y exactly equal to 94 plus 600, 100 minus 12, the value become 88. Yes, that is the 88 guys. Now, that is the first statement. Second one, see. The average of largest even number. What is the largest even number? Definitely the largest even number is x plus 6. Even number and smallest odd number is equal to by average means divisible by 2, the value become 42. Again you can get one more equation. Now x plus y value becomes c, 42 2s are 84 minus of 6 c x plus y. Now you can get the value become exactly equal to 78. Now just find out what is the second lowest even number. We want even number means you just calculated the value become x plus 2 guys. Now you can substitute directly guys. So you can get these two equations. Largest even number is x plus 6. Smallest odd number is y. X plus 6 plus y plus 2 is equal to 2. And 42 2s are 84. 84 minus 6. Okay, there is no problem in that. C78. Just substitute here. Now we want x value. No? So we want x value means 4x minus 3 into y value can be defined as 78 minus of x is exactly equal to 88. Now see, 4x minus c. 8 3s are 24. 7 3s are 21. 23 234 plus 3x value become 88. Now see, 7x exactly equal to 234 plus 88. So it's a 12. 8 plus 3 11 12 and the value become 322. 322. Now the x value becomes C. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42. Here the value becomes 46. Now see, the smallest even number is 46, but we want second lowest. The second lowest number is x plus 2. So 46 plus 2, the value becomes 48. So 48 is the perfect answer. So 48 is the correct answer, guys. Next one. See the question. Rahul, Ayush together can complete half of the time of Veera. See, there is a comparison for Rahul and Ayush can do the work in half of the time of Viru. Now see, now I am finding the efficiency ratio, guys. Now efficiency of R plus A by B exactly equal to 2 by 1. Why? Because the efficiency is always inversely proportional to the time. That is the most important information here. Now just continue the line. And we together, now see, Ayush and we together, Ayush and we together can completed same work in one third of Rahul. One third of Rahul. Again see, A plus V divisible by R inversely proportional means the ratio become 3 is to 1. Now see the most important information. We already know that the time is always constant. Why? Because if all are working together, they can complete it the total work in 30 days. It means what is the meaning here? Here. So every person's the efficiency is always constant. Every person, the efficiency is always constant. There is a no change in the efficiency. If efficiency is constant, then we can easily complete the question. Now see, if RAV, AVR, it means see the three persons are constant. It means their efficiency is always constant. It see, first of all, they are doing 3 units here. They are doing here 4 units here. First, we need to equal the total work. Why? Because the total work is constant. Why? Those three members are working here now. So the constant work with same persons. So we need to equal those works. See. So just took it as LCM of 3 and 4, 12. And 3 become a 12. 3 become a 12 exactly equal to 4 times. Now see. Just multiply these equation with a 4. 4 twos are 8 and 4 ones are 4. Same 4 become a 12. You should multiply with it 3 times. Now the value become 3 3s are 9. 3. Now you can directly guys see. V value is 4 units. R value is equal to 3 units. R plus A is equal to A. R plus A is equal to 8. Here R is equal to 3. Then A is equal to 5. Then check it out whether it is a right efficiency or not. Now see, R plus A is equal to A guys. R plus A, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. V is equal to 4. There is no change. A plus V, A plus V, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. R value become a 3. That's why. So we can easily get the efficiency of V. V 4. And here Rahul is 3 units and Ayush is 5 units. Now see, the total work is equal to 12 units. It means per day, the three persons together can complete it 12 units. That is the meaning is. So just read the next line. If all are then working together can complete the work in 30 days. So they are doing 12 units per day. For 30 days, they are performing the total number of units are 360. Now these work can completed Rahul alone. We already know that Rahul was done 3 units per day. Rahul done 3 units per day. If you want to complete it 360 units, how many days does it take? Simply denominator by 3. The value become exactly equal to 120 days. So 120 days is the correct answer. So this is the most important. We need to equal the total work. So how we are equating the total work means that is completely on LCM guys. Next one. We just go through the next one. Tap A can empty the tank in 6 hours. Tap A can empty the tank in 6 hours. Another tap B can fill the tank in 15 liters per minute. 15 liters per minute. If both taps are open together, another tap can fill the tank. See, it means C minus A plus B. That is the meaning. If both are working together, it can be emptied still in 10 hours. So it can be emptied in 10 hours. Now see, minus 6 and minus 10, the LCM become exactly equal to 30. Now see, so they emptied 5 units. Here they emptied 3 units. It means see, minus A plus B, the value become minus 3. Now here minus A value become 5. Definitely B value can be taken as 2 units only. Why? Because we want the resultant become a minus 3. If you go through the equation minus 5 plus 2, the resultant become a 3 units. It means see, B delivered 2 units. If you want to complete it 30 units means 30 by 2, it takes exactly 15 hours guys. Means if you want to fill these particular tank for tab B, it takes for 15 hours. And we already know the flow rate guys. What is the flow rate here? 15 liters per minute. Now here the total filling capacity is 15 liters. Then the total capacity of the tank is exactly equal to 15 into 60 into 15 converted hours into the minutes, and we already know that 15 liters per minute. So 15 15s are 225 into 60 guys. See 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 15, and 6 2s are 12 13. So answer 13,500 liters. The capacity of tank is 13,500 liters guys. That is the capacity of tank. Yes, go through that data interpretation sheet. Next one, see. Study the table carefully and answer the questions. And table given shows that a number of different items manufactured any factory. Table also shows the percentage of each item is sold. There is items A, B, C, D, E, F, and the number of items are 1200, 800, 1500, 2200, 2500, and 1800. And the number percentage of items sold. So they given as a percentage value. So 25% is A, 18% is B, 32% is C, 45% is D, 48% is E, and 35% is F. Now you just read the question. Number of items sold of type A and C together are what percentage more or less than number of items sold of D and F together? Now see, you just calculated A value, C value. Just calculated D value, F value. And A and C is how much percentage either more or less when compared to the D and F. Now you just concentrated on the calculation. Now see, the total number of items manufactured by A is 1200. Now, number of items sold is 25%. 25% means 1 by 4th of value. So, 1/4 of value, the value of A become 300. You can get the value of A. Now, same thing, you just concentrated on the C. Here, we need to calculate it 32% of 1500. So, 32% of 1500 means percentage double zero cancel. Now, 32 into 15. See, 32 tens are 320 and 32 fives are means off of 320, the value become 160. Now, the value become 480. Now, here the total resultant is 780 units. So, you can get A and C together, guys. Now, you just concentrated on the D value. So, 45% of 2200. Now, simply percentage double zero cancel. Now, see, 45 twos are 90. Now, 44 twos are 90 means the value become 990. 990. Now, you just concentrated on F value. 35% of 1800. 35% of 1800 means the value become 35 is multiple with the 18 times. Now, see, 18 fives are 90. You can take it as 9 carry forward. 18 threes are 54, guys. 18 threes are 54 plus 9. The value becomes 630. Now, here the value become exactly equal to 1620. Now, what is the comparison? See, if you see the comparison, 780 is always less than the 1620, guys. So here the question is together is what percentage more or less? So here you just eliminated more by because A and C together is always less than the other value. Now see, just find the difference between these two values. See, so 780 means so the value become 220. It's 1000. Here 620 is extra. The value become 740, guys. See, 780 plus 220 is 1000. It's a 220. And here 620 extra, the value become 840. Now see, 840 divisible by 1620 into 100. Now see, just eliminated these two numbers. Now you just calculated, guys. See, 162 into 850, definitely 5 times, guys. See, 162 into 5. 5 twos are 10, 6 fives are 30. 31, 3 here, 5 ones are 5. So 810. See, 810. Now we have a value of only 30. Take it as a 1 more 0, there is no problem. So now it is a 300. So definitely approximately that is equal to 2 times. Why? Because 16 threes are means the value become more than 300. No? So approximately the value become exactly equal to 52%. So 52% is the correct answer, guys. Go through the second one. Completely based on the calculation, guys. Just read the question. The ratio of defective to the non-defective items which are unsold of type B and type D, guys. See, type B and type D. Here unsold value, see here unsold value exactly equal to 82%. Here unsold value exactly equal to 55%. Now first of all, unsold calculate, I just calculated unsold value. 82% of 800. Now see percentage double zero cancel. 8 twos are 16, 8 eights are 64 means 656, guys. So unsold value of B is equal to 656. Now see 55% of 2200. Now see again percentage double zero cancel. 55 tens are 110. 110 11 carry forward. 55 twos are 110. 110 plus 11 121. So here 1210. 1210. Now see here the ratio become, see now you can go based on the values guys. Now you can take like that guys. For example, now you just take it as a like. This is the value we already know that 82 into 6. In that we just consider 82 into 8, sorry. 82 into 8. Now this is the value. We already know that this is the value of 55 into 22. So we already know that this is the value of 1210 means the value becomes 55 into 22, and 656 means 82 into 11. Now see, just concentrated on that. See, number of defective to the non-defective ratio is 3 is to 5. Number of defective to the non-defective ratio is 5 is to 6. Now you need to divide those values in the given ratio, guys. Now see how we are dividing. If the total number of units are 8, number of defectives here 3, non-defective 5. Now 8 become 8 means you just cancel, each unit is equal to 82. Now see here 82 into 3, the value become 246. We just concentrated on the non-defect value. So non-defect value 5 into 82. Now see 5. Just consider as half of this number, that number is multiple with 10. Why? Because 5 can be written as 10 by 2. In that way also you just calculate it. The value become 410. Now see, here 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 become a 22. Each unit is equal to 2. Then each unit become 110 units. Now see, here these value become 550. And these value become 660. These are the values, guys. Now what is the question here? Now find the difference of total defective and non-defective of those two types of the items. See, just find the difference between the defective and non-defective. Here, find the difference of defective and non-defective. See, here the defective value, here 246 plus 550, guys. The value becomes 796. Here sum of these two numbers, 660, 410. The value becomes 1070. 1070. Just find the ratio. This is the value become a 4. So we have a units place 4. There is a 2 answers. Okay, just no problem in that. Now see, here we already carry forward. Here the value becomes 6. 6 minus 9, the value becomes 74, guys. So answer 247 is the correct answer, guys. Sorry, 274. 274 is the correct answer. Next one. Calculation, guys. Just go through the calculation. Next one, see. Then what is the ratio of sold items of type C and E together to the unsold items A and E together? Sold of C and E. C, E, sold, guys. Here 32%. So 32% means 320, 160. The value become 480. Here sold 48%. So 48 into 25, guys. See, 25 8s are 200. 20 carry forward, and here the value become 25 4s are 100 and 120. So here 1200. Now see what is the ratio of sold items of type C and E together? C and E together, the value becomes 1680. That is the one value, guys. Unsold item of A and E, guys. Unsold item of A and E. So this is 3 by 4th value. 4 become exactly equal to 300. 3 3s are 900 is unsold value. Now see A and E, guys. See here E value, so 2500 into 52%. See 52% means half of these value become 1250. Now 1% is equal to 25, 2% is equal to 50. The value become 1300, guys. So 1300 and the value become 2200. You just cancel 0 0 cancel. Now so this is the value 455 and 4 4s are 4 2s are. The value become 42 is to 55. So 42 is to 55 is the correct answer. Next one. Next one, see. The cost of each item sold by type C is 200 rupees and type D is 300 rupees. Find the average total selling price of type C and type D. Okay, we just calculated again. Now see the cost of each item sold of type C. So type C here 32%. 32% value become 480 articles, and each article is equal to 200. Now the value becomes 48 twos are 96. So answer 96,000 guys. Again decalculated 45% is 45 twos are 90. Here 9 here 45 twos are 990, and 990 articles are sold and each price is equal to 300 rupees. We have again 3 zeros. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27 means 297. Now see here 2,97,000. Now the value become here 3, 9 plus 9, 18, 19, and the value become 393,000 guys. But we want an average. See here the total average. So there is a 2 article means divisible by 2 guys. See just go with the 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 six are so 196, 196,500. So answer 196,500. That is the answer guys. See that other question. 40% of total items of type F are defective, then the remaining items of type F sold is what percentage average of unsold item of type A and D together. Unsold of A 3 by 4, the value become 900. It's a unsold value. Next one, A and E guys. See here 52% of 2,500. The value become exactly equal to 1,300. These are the unsold items A and E. So we already calculated in previous flow. There is no problem. But for understanding purpose, again, I am telling you that values. See, unsold item of A 900, E is 1,300. Now see, here there is information. See, 1,800 out of 1,800, 40% is total items are defective. So non-defective value exactly equal to 60% of 1,800. Nana. Now see, these two values are cancelled. We left with the 60 into 18. Now, so out of 60 into 18, so how many are there sold? So 35% is sold. 35% is sold. So here, see just calculated. See, 40% is total items type is defect. Okay, just calculated defect means non-defective value. See, 6 8 are 48. 6 1 are 6 means 1080 directly. No need to calculate any sold value. Now see, 1080 is are defect and remaining items F sold is. So F is sold is what percentage? 1080 is what percentage? Average of unsold item of A and E guys. See, remaining or sold. 1080 or sold directly we calculated. Then the average of these two value 2200 divisible by 2. So the value becomes 1100. Just calculated it there 1100. Just calculated. Finally 1080 divisible by 11. Now see 11 nines are 99 guys. 11 nines are 99. So we left with a 9. Yeah. Now see, we have a 90. 11 8 is 88 guys. 11 8 is 88. Remainder 2 by 11%. That is the value 98 2 by 11%. This is the answer guys. Now see the question. A person buys some articles. A person buys some articles. He sold 40% of articles at 20% profit and remaining at 33.1 by 3% profit. Now, if the present profit is calculated based on the selling price, so this is the most important point. Generally, profit is calculated based on the cost price, but here they are calculated based on the selling price. So based on the selling price, he can get a profit of 20% and other article get a 33.1 by 3%. Now then, what is the ratio of selling prices? What is the ratio of selling prices? If all the articles sold at 20% profit and all the articles sold at 33.1 by 3% profit. Now see here. Here 40% means the total number of articles I just consider as a 5 guys. Now see 40% means the value become 2 by 5. So 2 articles they sold at 20% profit. Now, what is the meaning of 20%? So 20% value become 1 by 5. You can get 1 by 5. The denominator value is represented say SP. Originally the denominator is CP guys. But here they can get a profit based on the selling price. Now you can consider the selling price is equal to 5 units. Now the profit is equal to 1 unit. Definitely the cost price is equal to 4 units. In that way you just decided. Now remaining three articles, they get a profit of 33 1 by 3 percentage. So 33 1 by 3 percentage, the value becomes 1 by 3. 1 by 3 again here denominator. Originally the denominator is cost price. But here they calculated based on the selling price. Now the selling price is equal to 3 units. Profit is 1 unit. Definitely the cost price is equal to 2 units. Yes. So that is the information. Now, what is your observation? See, guys, here the cost price is always constant. Now, first we need to separate these important points. The cost price is always constant. Here the cost price is 4 units, cost price is 2 units. First of all, we need to equal those cost prices. Cost prices means simply you should multiply these number with a 2. Now here the value becomes 6. Now the value becomes 4. Now you can see guys, there is a no problem with the cost prices. Now here the selling price is equal to 5. Here the selling price is equal to 6. Here number of units are 2. Here number of units are 3. Now you just calculated the selling prices. See, so our one article is 5. 5 is the selling price. Means 2 article is 2 into 5. Same thing. Each article is 6 rupees. Total number of articles 3. So 3 into 6 guys. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are. The ratio become 5 is to. So 5 is to 9 is the correct answer guys. So 5 is to 9 is the correct answer. Next one. See the next question. The concept of alligation mixers. See, in a mixture of alcohol and water, the proportion of alcohol by weight is 60%. Alcohol is 60% means water is 40%. So the value becomes 6 is to 4. 6 is to 4 means 3 is to 2. Directly you can consider. It means see, if the mixture is 5 quantities, guys, if the mixture is 5 quantities, then alcohol is represented 3 quantities and water is represented 2 quantities. That is the meaning, guys. Now, if the from 80 grams of mixture, they clearly mention that the total weight of the mixture is 80 grams. Then 5 become a 80, each is a multiple with a 16. So 5 become a 80, each is multiple with a 16. Then the alcohol value become 3 into 16. So there is a 48 grams of alcohol and 32 grams of water. Now, here the most important part, we are just removing a 20 grams of mixture is taken out. See, we are removing 20 grams of mixture. If you're removing a 20 grams of mixture, definitely those mixture is consisting of alcohol and water. Then alcohol and water always in the ratio of 3 is to 2. If we are removing means definitely we are removed in that ratio also 3 is to 2. It means see, if you're removing a 5 quantities, 5 become a 20, each quantity is equal to 4. Now here we are removing 12 quantities. Here we are removing 8 quantities. That is the meaning of removal, guys. Now you can subtract 12. Now the value become 36. Here we just subtracted 8. The value become 24. That is the important. If you're removing a some quantity means based on that removal, that separation must be a 3 is to 2 ratio, guys. We are removing a some mixture means definitely we are removing 3 quantities of alcohol and 2 quantities of water. That is the meaning. Every time we are removing this. Next, now here 6 grams of pure water is added, 6 grams of pure water is added, then final mixture is 36 is to 30. So the ratio becomes 6 is to 5. The final ratio is 6 is to 5, guys. Now see, there is a 3 persons. PQR started a business. See, partnership concept. See, the partnership concept, the profit is completely based on a person's investment and time period. These are the 3 parameters for the entire concept. So profit is completely depends on the how much a person is invested, how much duration in that business. Those are the 2 important parameters. Now see, investment ratio is, first of all, investment ratio 2 by 3, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Just took it as LCM. First converted the fraction into the normal value case. Now the LCM become exactly equal to 12. Now see, 3 become at 12, 4 times 4 twos are 8 quantities. Now 2 become a 12. That is exactly 6 quantities. 4 become a 12. 3 threes are 9 quantities. That is the initial investment. Like just assume like a 8 rupees, 6 rupees and 9 rupees. Then after 5 months. So after 5 months, Q increases his investment by 2 by 3. This is P, this is Q and this is after 5 months, there is a changes means first 5 months they maintained 6 quantities. They maintained just this quantities. Then he was reinvest. His investment is 2/3 of initial investment. He increases his amount. So that value is 2/3 of previous value. So 2/3 of 6, the value become exactly equal to 4 quantities we are increases. 4 quantities increases means now the total number of quantities in that business of Q is exactly a 10 value of 10. So that is the only change after 12 months. So there is a no changes there remaining. See here the value become exactly equal to 12 months. Here the value become exactly equal to 12 months. But here the value become exactly equal to 7 months. Now see is there any cancellation? So we have a no, two table cancellation guys. 2 fours are, 2 threes are, 2 fives are, 2 sixes are. There is a no cancellation. So 4 twos are sorry. 4 twelves are 48. 3 fives are 15. 7 fives are 35. The value become exactly equal to 50. And 9 sixes are 54 guys. So that is the value guys. Now again we have a cancellation. See 24 is to 25 is to 27. Now see the difference. See here for example the total profit in this business, for example if you want total profit, see 20 20 20 60, 60 plus 69 69 plus 7 69 plus 7 76 quantities. The total profit is 76 quantities. Then P has got 24 quantities, Q got 25 quantities and R got 27 quantities. That is the profit distribution. Now see the comparison. The difference between the profit share of P and R. The difference between the profit share of P and R. So the difference between the profit share is P and R is 3 quantities. The value becomes 1350. Now what is the profit share of Q? Profit share of Q is exactly equal to 25 quantities. 25 quantities is equal to how much? Cancel here. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, so 450. So 25 into 45 guys. See 4 twos are 8, 2 fives are 10, 4 fives are 20, it's a 30, it's a 3 here, 5 fives are 25, 5 here, 2 here, again we have a 0. The value become 11,250. So this is the correct answer. 11,250 is the correct answer. Four division. 9 by 11, 7 by 11, 4 by 11, 11. Yes. A card is drawn from deck of 52 cards randomly. Then find the probability that neither club nor king is. See, if you want neither nor means simply total probability minus either or case, that is better to you guys. First of all, calculated. What are the chances? We want a one card that is either club or king. See, getting club, we have a 13 chances. We want one card means that is equal to 13C1. And either or. So if it is a club, there is no problem. If it is a club, sometimes you can get a king. So king chances are exactly equal to 4-7. And we already know that out of 13, we have a only one king. That king is never repeated. That's why the value we can subtract it. Now the total probability is 15 to C1. See 13 plus 4, 17. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16 by 52 guys. Now see 4 4s are 16. 4 13s are guys. See then see the chances of either or is 4 by 13, but we want neither one nor means 1 minus 4 by 13. The probability become 9 by 13. So 9 by 13 is the correct answer guys. The probability of getting neither club nor king, the probability is 9 by 13 guys. See the next question. So it's question related for ages. Now see, the age of Abhishek is 3/4 of the age of Ayush. There is a comparison between two persons. Abhishek, Ayush. So the denominator value always be the Ayush value. I just take it as 4x. Definitely then Abhishek value become 3x. Those are the two values here. Now the age of Ayush 11 years more than the average age of his two sons whose total age is 50. So sum of these two ages is 50. Then average is exactly equal to 25. Now see. Now Ayush value is 11 years more than the So Ayush value is 11 years more than the average age of his two sons. See, average age of his two sons is 25. 11 years more means the value become 36. Now you can get X value become 9. Now find the difference ages of Abhishek and Ayush. See, Abhishek and Ayush, the difference value 4x and 3x, the value become a x. Then X value already calculated, the value become. So the difference between their ages exactly 9 years, guys. Just so this is homework question for you guys. Just find out which number is wrong in the following number series. So odd one out, just find the odd number. So here the numbers are 84, 97, 114, 133, 156 and 187. Just identify that what is the odd number in the given series. So just go through that question and post your answer in the comment section. So this is the today's homework question. Guys, the PDF of these live session I was uploaded in. Don't worry guys, I was uploaded in the Telegram. Just follow me in the Telegram. The Telegram, if you want search it directly, you just search it as at the rate of B2V1C. Or if you want direct link, the link is available in the description. Just go through the description. The live is available. The link is available. So that's it for today's session. So is there any doubt for today's? Okay, guys. See you in the tomorrow session. Don't leave the homework question. Just go through the question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. Good night, guys.